Hello there. Welcome to Learn to Work YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some of the basics of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing software application. It is used to create and edit written documents such as letters, resumes, reports, and more. Now let's familiarize ourselves with some of the basics of Microsoft Word. When you open Word for the first time, the Word Start screen will appear. The Start screen provides options to create a new document, open an existing document, or access the Word templates. Now let's go to a blank Word document by selecting Blank Document option from the Start screen. Now we have this window. This is the home screen of MS Word. Now let us understand the various important parts of this window. Number 1. Ribbon. Ribbon contains commands organized in 3 components: tabs, groups, commands. Tabs contain groups of related commands like File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, Reference, Mailings, Review, View, Help. Each tab is divided into several groups and every group contains a group of related commands. Number 2. Rulers. Rulers allows you to control the position of text and other elements in your document by setting margins, indents, and tabs. Number 3. Status bar. It contains some of the informations related to the document, such as the insertion point location which says, in which page you are currently on, number of words, chosen language, etc. Number 4. Zoom control. The zoom control consists of a slider that you can slide left or right to zoom in or out. Number 5. View buttons. It's a group of 3 buttons located to the left of the zoom control, near the bottom of the screen, and it lets you to switch through the Word's various document views, such as read mode, print layout, and web layout. Number 6. Document area. This is the important part of MS Word, because it is where you are going to type the document. Okay, let's wind up for today. At the next class we will learn more on Microsoft Word. Please subscribe the channel for getting further classes and click on the bell icon for getting notifications when we upload new classes. Goodbye.